Hey there, candy lovers. Are you ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey into the world of KitKat bars? Buckle up as Curious Constructs takes you inside one of the largest KitKat factories in the world. We're about to unravel the secrets behind those irresistibly crispy and delicious bars you love. From selecting the finest ingredients to the magical moment when chocolate coats the crispy wafers, we promise you won't want to miss a single second of this sweet adventure. Stay tuned and subscribe to Curious Constructs for more exciting behind-the-scenes content. Imagine traveling back to 1935 in York, England. Picture a small factory where something revolutionary is happening. Roundtree's of York is crafting a new treat called Roundtree's Chocolate Crisp. Little did they know, they were about to create a classic. Fast forward to 1988, and Nestlé swoops in, buys Roundtree's, and renames it KitKat. The rest is history. Curious about how KitKat bars are made? Get ready to dive deep into the factory and discover the secrets behind those delicious bars enjoyed by people in over 70 countries. Our adventure begins with a quest for the finest ingredients. Nestlé travels to lush cocoa farms in West Africa to source top-quality cocoa beans. Each ingredient is selected with the utmost care, not just for the rich flavor, but also to support environmental sustainability and local farming communities. Let's step inside the factory. Huge, high-tech mixers blend cocoa, sugar, and milk powder into a smooth chocolate base. But the magic truly happens during a process called conching. Here, rollers refine the chocolate, smoothing out any rough edges and enhancing its texture to create a rich, velvety consistency that melts perfectly in your mouth. While the chocolate is reaching perfection, the wafer-making process is underway. Imagine thin layers of batter being carefully spread and baked to a golden, crispy crunch. Each wafer is crafted with precision, ensuring that every KitKat bar has the perfect texture. Now comes the exciting part, dipping the wafers in chocolate. The freshly baked wafers are stacked up, and then a glorious cascade of melted chocolate flows over them like a delicious waterfall. The wafers get completely enveloped in a smooth chocolate coat, creating that iconic KitKat bar we all know and love. KitKat bars are famous for their perfect combination of crispy wafers and smooth chocolate. Can you believe that this factory produces up to 3 million KitKat bars every single day? Some people like to snap their KitKat into pieces to savor each bite slowly, while others go straight for the whole bar to experience the full, crispy, chocolatey goodness. As the KitKat bars make their journey along the conveyor belt, the action shifts to the packaging area. Watch closely as smart robots take over, placing each bar onto the belt with precision and care. These robots are like the ultimate assembly line experts, ensuring that every KitKat is perfectly positioned for the next step. But the journey doesn't end there. The packaging machines spring into action, using cutting-edge technology to wrap each KitKat bar in its recyclable wrapper. It's not just about keeping the bars fresh. These eco-friendly wrappers help protect our planet. The packs are then thoroughly inspected to ensure they meet the highest quality standards before being neatly boxed up. Every KitKat bar is a masterpiece, featuring that perfect combination of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate coating. Once packed, these boxes are sealed and sent out to stores all around the globe, ready to bring a smile to millions of faces. Finally, the KitKat boxes are transported to distribution centers. Here, they're carefully prepared for their journey to stores around the world. Nestlé also focuses on sustainability. They use solar panels to generate clean energy and employ eco-friendly packaging to minimize waste. It's all part of their commitment to making sure every KitKat bar not only brings joy to consumers, but also supports a healthier planet. We hope you enjoyed this sweet behind-the-scenes adventure into the world of KitKat bars. If you love discovering how your favorite treat is made, give us a thumbs up, share the fun with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Curious Constructs for more exciting explorations and fascinating journeys.